Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. The price good men pay for indifference to public affairs is to be ruled by evil men. The heaviest penalty for declining to rule is to be ruled by someone inferior to yourself. I am the wisest man alive, for I know one thing, and that is that I know nothing. Never discourage anyone who continually makes progress, no matter how slow. Good people do not need laws to tell them to act responsibly, while bad people will find a way around the laws. The measure of a man is what he does with power. If women are expected to do the same work as men, we must teach them the same things. Human behavior flows from three main sources: desire, emotion, and knowledge. There are three classes of men: lovers of wisdom, lovers of honor, and lovers of gain. There are two things a person should never be angry at: what they can help and what they cannot. You should not honor men more than truth. Necessity is the mother of invention. Love is simply the name for the desire and pursuit of the whole. A hero is born among 100, a wise man is found among 1,000, but an accomplished one might not be found even among 100,000 men. The first and best victory is to conquer self. True friendship can exist only between equals. No wealth can ever make a bad man at peace with himself. Money makers are tiresome company, as they have no standard but cash value. The direction in which education starts a man will determine his future life. Wise men talk because they have something to say, fools because they have to say something. Lack of activity destroys the good condition of every human being. Beauty of style and harmony, and grace and good rhythm depend on simplicity. The most effective kind of education is that a child should play amongst lovely things